Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks, wherever you are, whenever you might be watching my video. Today I'm going to show you how I make an incense burner. Now I have two here that are going to need to be cleaned, and I'm going to show you how I clean them. But first off, what you need is you need a bowl, or you could use a jar like this, but you can find these bowls at Salvation Army or thrift store or dollar store or whatever. And you need it to be shaped where it has a nice sturdy base. Now this happens to be brass. But you need it to be, you need that base to keep it from wobbling, and so that it doesn't get knocked over. And then I use marbles, just plain old dollar store marbles. I think I got these at Walgreens a long time ago. Okay, so now what you do is you just take your marbles, depending on the size of your bowl, and you just fill your bowl up. Now I'm trying to keep my marbles from falling off the counter here. Whoa. Now the bigger ones, I like them on top. So let me get them out of there. Okay. Let me set them aside for a second till I get the littler ones in there. Cat hair. Everything I got cat hair in it. So there, that's all there is to making an incense burner. Now I'm going to show you how to clean these. Let me put these, in fact, let me clean these big ones that I got here. Oh, there's another one. Now, how I clean them is I go through and make sure that I got all the sticks out. You know, the little sticks from the bottom. Make sure you take them all out. You may have to dig a little bit. There, I got them all out. Now, because I use the marbles, I know they're not going to go down my drain. So I simply pour them in. Oops, see, there's a stick. Is there a stick? Yeah, there's a stick. And then even the thing here, and just let me wash this because I got to do this two-handed, so just a second. Okay, so after you do the bowl, just set it aside so it can drain, see? And then just roll the marbles around in your hand, and they wash really easy. Now again, make sure that whatever you're using, you can use those, you can buy them at the dollar store. They look like flattened marbles. I think they're for aquariums and just general crafts. Whatever you do, make sure that whatever kind of drain you've got, that your marbles won't go down the drain. There. So see, they'll just sit here on the towel, and I can take the towel and roll them around a little bit on the towel. Ooh. Ooh. I want to make sure I don't make any go on the floor. Just roll them around here on the towel. Let me get this out from underneath. And then just put your marbles back in. So you can, you can use it for the big sticks. But now if you're going to use the big sticks, you want to make sure that you use I keep old jars because of my, what I dehydrate goes in jars. But for those great big tall sticks, those big heavy sticks, you would want to use something like this instead of something that's open like this. So let me get these all back in here. Now here on the brass one, again, I'm going to look for the sticks. Take the sticks out, which I should do each time I use it, but I don't. Oops. But then just put them in the sink. And this is so much nicer. Oh, here's one of those things that I was telling you about. You can buy these at the dollar store. You can see there's those. I haven't cleaned this one out in a long time. So there's a lot of sticks in there, and you got to be sure to get them out. And probably the most important thing is to make sure that whatever you're using will not go down the drain. Here's some more of those things that I was telling you about. They look like, you can use these from the dollar store. But I like using the marbles because the marbles are so pretty. And, I don't know, I got a lot of them, so why not? So, I'll bring you back. See, here they are for draining. I'll bring you back here in just a second. So here they are, and here they're all cleaned up now. And here's the one I just made. And now, see, I was able to buy this bowl for like 25 cents because it's got a little nick in it right here. And, of course, you wouldn't use that for cooking or for eating or anything like that because it's broken. But for something like this, it's absolutely perfect. And it's pretty. Now, like I said, this is my incense that I'm using right now. And this is lavender. So let me get these set up. Let me get the incense in them and started burning. And I'll show you how I do it. Now, this one is for my living room. This is the new one I made for my living room. This one's for my bedroom, and this is for the bathroom. That's a little hard to see, sorry, but this is the one in my living room. And see, I don't have to worry about the ashes getting on my furniture and all over my doily. That's my Red Bull. I made that in high school. Here's the one in my bedroom. And see, again, I don't have to worry about the ashes getting all over my nightstand. Now, here's the one in my bathroom. Now, I put it in my bathroom sink because of the cats. The cats don't normally go in the bedroom during the daytime, and so I don't have to worry about them rubbing up against it. And the same within the living room. They don't normally go in the living room, but in the bathroom, they just come and go as they please. And so I put it in the sink for safety reasons. So there you go, y'all. That's how you can make your own incense burners. Pretty. You can get all one color marbles if that's what you want. And remember now, again, if you wanted to do those big heavy sticks, it would probably be better if you use something more substantial than those bowls that flare out like that. If you're real crafty, go ahead and grab you a coffee can. But thanks for watching.